Welcome to our guide on the Strike Bitcoin app. Let's explore its purpose and how it can benefit you in the world of cryptocurrencies. The Strike Bitcoin app is packed with features designed to help users easily buy, sell, and manage Bitcoin. Let's take a closer look at some of its standout features. Setting up your account is quick and easy. Follow these steps to get started with the Strike Bitcoin app. Now, let's dive into how Bitcoin transactions work on the Strike app and what makes them unique. One of the concerns users often have is the fee structure. Let's analyze if the Strike app provides value for your money. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies. We'll cover the essential security measures implemented in the Strike app. How does Strike stack up against its competitors in 2025? Let's compare its features and user experience with other Bitcoin apps. User experiences can provide invaluable insight. Here are some reviews and feedback from actual users of the Strike Bitcoin app. Looking ahead, what can we expect from the Strike Bitcoin app in terms of future developments and enhancements? In conclusion, is the Strike Bitcoin app worth your time and investment? Let's summarize what we learned.